How to add the read comfortably routine on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down, then tap on modes and routines. Then tap on the routines tab at the bottom. Now we go to the top and tap on the discover button. After that, tap on all routines. Then we scroll down. In here, tap on read comfortably. And with this routine, it turn on Eye Comfort Shield when you read ebooks. So tap on that. And here you need to select an app. So you need to set a reading book app. So I don't know if I have one in here. Let's just quickly scroll through to see what we've got. I do not have any EPUB or ebook app that I have in here. So let's just, for example, I'm just going to select some random app. So perhaps maybe PDF editor, for example, and then we tap on that, and then tap on done. So you select an app. You can select more than one app as well. So if you want, you can select here audio, and then tap on done. So you can select multiple apps, and then in the then condition, it will say that Eye Comfort Shield is set to adaptive. So here you can make some changes, so that is adaptive. If you want, you can set it to custom, and then this is the color it will be like when it is on. And here you can tap on done. So that's what it look like. So you tap on done. That's Eye Comfort Shield. And here we say when the routine ends, then Eye Comfort Shield will be switched off. So once you are happy, tap on saved, then tap on the back key. So when you open up an app that is set in that routine there, then Eye Comfort Shield will turn on. And when you close the app, then Eye Comfort Shield will switch off. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.